Instadoodle is an AI-powered whiteboard video creator designed to turn simple text prompts into hand-drawn doodle animations. Its Doodle AI engine automatically generates scenes, so you don't have to manually piece together templates like with traditional Doodle software. It comes with over 1,000 assets, from characters to props, and you can import your own images or logos to match your brand. The drag-and-drop editor makes customization fast, while built-in voiceover and audio syncing tools lets you create explainer vids in minutes. Being cloud-based means no heavy downloads, just log in and start creating. It's extremely beginner-friendly. The AI scenes save time, and lifetime access plans give you unlimited video creation without recurring fees. AI-generated visuals can be hit or miss, and complex scenes may need manual tweaks, or some users also report slow rendering on longer vids. Plans start with a one-time payment that's cheaper than many monthly alternatives like Doodly or VideoScribe, making it appealing for marketers, educators, or small businesses. So if you need quick, polished doodle videos without a steep learning curve, Instadoodle is definitely worth considering. Let me know if you want me to do a deeper dive on Instadoodle or to compare with any other, synonymous services. Subscribe for more videos, and we'll catch you in the next one.